Hello, my name is Tammo Wilkens. I teach the Microsoft Project Scheduling class here at California State University, Dominguez Hills. Every professional makes use of some tool to get their job done. For project managers, that tool is a full-function scheduling application like Microsoft Project, which provides functionality in several areas of managing projects, such as planning the project execution and monitoring progress against the plan, managing the budget and the actual costs of the work, forecasting the completion date and the ultimate cost, communicating with stakeholders, performing what-if analyses for risk management, tracking requirements, supporting agile methodologies. We teach the Microsoft Project class in a live online computer lab, where every student works on their own copy of the application, performing all the steps taught by the instructor. This ranges from the initial setup of a project to creating dazzling reports for your stakeholders. The course concludes with a capstone in which each student is given the opportunity to create their own project from scratch. It is reviewed by the instructor and then jointly in the final class. This virtual lab is available 24/7 so that students have the access to the application between classes to venture forth on their own and use the application as they see fit. And the instructor is available for help between classes. A great advantage of someone like me teaching this course is that I not only teach you how to use the software menus and all its features, but I teach you how to manage your projects with the software. So, whether you're looking to enter the project management profession but don't have a lot of project management experience, or you want to hone your skills in using this powerful application, or learn the tricks from a veteran project manager, this course is for you. And I look forward to seeing you there.